Hi, grade 10. How are you today? Going to start lesson 6 to complete talking about Kerala, a haven of fabulous food. At the end of the lesson, you will be able to describe your favorite dish or cuisine, talk about food ingredients and preparation, write a simple recipe. I have here some questions I need to ask you. Do you help your mom at home? Do you like cooking, girls? If you like cooking, do you usually follow recipes? It means that you have procedures and methods and follow it to cook pizza, to cook another type of food. What are the different parts of a recipe? A recipe includes what? Yes, ingredients. Like pizza, I need some ingredients like tomato, olives, flour, water, something like that. And directions. How can I do? Mix, put, add. So here we need to ask ourselves these questions before starting the class today. Go on. It's time to open the course book, page 6, exercise number 3. I need you please to look at this example from the brochure that we read last class about Kerala cuisine, different type of dishes in Kerala, if you remember the brochure. If you read this sentence, you will find it in the brochure. Made with ginger, cloves, and garlic. Made with ginger, cloves, and garlic. I have a question. My question is there more than one item in this example? More than one item, one type of food, a thing, ingredient? Made with ginger, cloves, and garlic. In sentence A, this one, is there more than one item? Yes, of course. What are the items here? Ginger, cloves, and garlic. Yes, that's why there are many items used to create this dish. That's why I said made with. Made with. Made with here, it means that I have ingredients. Many things I can make the food with. These things. I can make pizza with tomato, olives, okay, cheese. So this is made with. I have another example with another sentence. Serve it on plates made of banana leaves, like this one. It's a plate and the food is served on the plate which made of banana leaves. Made of banana leaves. My question is, when they use the banana leaves as plate, were they still recognizable as banana leaves? Do you know that this is banana leaves? After putting and serving the food on the banana leaves, we still recognize that this is banana leaves? Yes. Why? Because the banana leaves here didn't change and look and feel the same way after being used. So before banana leaves and after banana leaves, not change. Not change, that's why I said made of. Made of. because it is not changed. The same banana leaf before, banana leaf after, the same shape, the same looking, the same feeling. That's why I said made of. The last example, a dish made from rice flour and coconut milk. Made from. My question is, when they use the rice flour and coconut milk in the dish, were they still recognizable as rice flour and coconut milk? You know them later after making this dish? This is rice flour and this is coconut milk? No. Why, girls? Because the flour, rice flour and coconut milk have changed. They don't look like their original form and taste different. That's why I said made from. So now I have 3 examples: made with, made of, made from. Made with, girls, if I'm talking about different ingredients, made of olives, salt, black pepper, something like that. So I say made with. Made of, when there is no change, the same, no change before the dish and after the dish, the shape is the same, the look is the same, the feeling is the same, not changing. That's why I said made of. What about made from? No, change it. Before it has different color and now has another color. Before different taste, flavor, and now it has changed. So that's why I said made from, because it's changed. Okay. So in this book, in your book, you will find use of English. We use made of. Why we use made of? To talk about unchanged. Unchanged, the same, not a change. Basic items that create on an item. Made of silver. Made of gold. So silver before the same silver. It's still silver. Gold, it is still gold. No change. That's why I said made of. What about made with? Made with, to talk about things made from different items. Usually describing food made with lemon juice, sugar, and salt. The ingredients, what I put in this food to make a dish. This is the meaning of made with. Made. Things made from different items. More ingredients. What about made from? Made from, I use it to talk about things that change to create something new. Cake. Cake is made from eggs, sugar, and oil. This is before I make the cake. I put eggs, sugar, and oil. And then I bake the cake. After that, can you find the eggs, the sugar, the oil? No, they are changed. And they become what? Become a cake. That's why I said made from. So in this box, it talks about the difference between made of, made with, made from. Made of, unchanged, the same. Made with, more ingredients. Made from, things change, girls. Not be the same before. It changed the color or the smell or the taste. That's why I said made from. So let's go on. We need now to open the activity book, page 6, and to choose the correct preposition for each sentence. You are going to choose made of, made with, made from. And be careful after the choices, options. Number one, here you have gold. In some cultures, it's forbidden to eat with spoons made from gold. So what do you think here? Gold, changeable or unchanged? Yes, not changed. That's why I said made of. Pasta sauce is usually made of, made with, made from tomatoes, peppers, olives, and olive oil. I have here many ingredients, many items. That's why I will choose what? With. Yes, well done. Number 3, sugar is made of or with or from sugar cane grown at farms. Sugar cane, the plant of sugar cane, and we make sugar from it. So it's from. Yes. Okay, it's from, because I changed the sugar cane into sugar. 4, if you are going on a picnic, you should use plates made from or with or of paper. Plates, and these plates are made paper. So I change paper into plate. That's why I said made of. Chutney is made of, made with, made from a lot of different ingredients. Different, many. That's why I will said with. Well done, guys. We need now to look at these items here. We need to write sentences about each using made with, made from, and made of. Made with for more ingredients. Made of, okay, unchanged, the same, and made from, changed. He gives you one example. Our kitchen table is made of wood. Wood, made of wood. So wood, the same table, it's made of wood. That's why unchanged. That's why I said made of. Can you please think and give me any sentence about pizza, kitchen, shelves, cake, bin, milkshake, plate? So I will give you just a couple of seconds to think and give me one sentence using made of or made from or made with. Okay. Let me help and give you examples. Cakes are made with different ingredients. Made with, because I have many ingredients to make cake. So made with. 2, bins are made of plastic or metal. Plastic, it will be the same for bin, which is made of plastic, no change. A plate is usually made of china or porcelain. This is the material, the same, not changed, made of. Pizzas are made with a dough, tomatoes, onions, and other ingredients. Made with, because here you have more ingredients to make pizza. Milkshakes are made with milk, ice cream, and flavoring. Kitchen shelves are made of wood or steel. No change it. That's why we use made of here. So here we have examples and we put these tools or items in sentences. We used made with, made from, made of. Now, let's go back to the course book, page 6. I need you please to think of your favorite dish. Tell me the name of the dish, ingredients, what are you going to use to cook this dish, where you can eat it, in a restaurant or at home or in China. Health benefits, is it good, healthy? Why is it healthy? The cuisine or cooking method? Or why is it is your favorite one? So I need you now to think of one of your favorite dishes. For example, my favorite dish is pizza. I like pizza very much. It's my favorite because it is sometimes it's healthy. You can find a lot of ingredients. You can make pizza with tomatoes, green pepper, olives, oil, okay, and other ingredients. I can eat this pizza in the restaurant or in my home. I can make it by mixing the flour with water, put some yeast, 1 spoon of yeast, keep the dough for some time, 1 hour or 2 hours, and then I bring up a tray and I put the dough and I then put the tomatoes, olives, mushrooms. For example, I can put some sauce and then I will bake it in the oven. It's healthiest because you can do it at home and you can put all the ingredients fresh one. You can think like that if you want and choose another one. Why? Because this is homework. What is your homework? This is example. I write this example for you to write about your favorite dish. You can start like that. If you want to change, up to you. You can change. You can write whatever you like in your own style. Hello. Hello here. Missing one O. My name is, I am from. Today I'm going to tell you about my favorite dish. The dish that I like is Italian pasta. It is very delicious. It is not very expensive. To make Italian pasta, you need onion, meat, tomato, cheese, and pasta. To prepare a sauce, we mix onion, tomatoes, and add some meat. Cook them for 1 hour in a medium temperature. For the pasta, we boil it, put it inside water and boil it. When the sauce is ready, we put it on the pasta. We decorate the dish with cheese. This is my favorite dish. I need you now, this is your homework, to choose another dish, your favorite dish, and write a short paragraph like that about your favorite dish. You can write about the ingredients, cooking temperature, time, how to serve this one, how can you cook it, the instructions, the same that I did now. So waiting for your homework, please send it to me. Write a short paragraph about your favorite dish. Write the recipe. How can you describe this one? And how can you cook this dish? You have example? Read it again and do similar but about different one. Thanks a lot, girls. See you later. Bye.